Hello students, today we are going to create a Google account and we're going to use that account for email. So it's actually called Gmail, which is Google Mail. So the first thing you need to do is go over to your Google Chrome, which I think most of us have it up here in the top left, and double left click that and it will open up. Sometimes I don't know what your home site is, but mine opens up to Bentonville K-12. In the address bar, which is up here, click on it and type mail.google.com and then press enter, and it will take you to the Google Gmail login account or login website page. And here you're going to go to the top right hand corner where it says create an account, and you're going to click that, left click. And now there's really only one page of things that you have to fill in. These other two pages we're just going to hit skip or next. So just start by filling in your information. So name is first name, last name, and then choose your username. Now you can name this whatever you want. Have some fun with it. You can name it Spot Dog. You can name it Purple Sparkly Dinosaur. I don't really care what you name it, but at the end you need to have LJHS, and then it'll finish the rest for you here where it says gmail.com. That's going to be tagged to whatever your username is. So I'm going to name mine something easy that's easy for me to remember: J Seidel 2012 LJHS at gmail.com. Oh, I think that one's already being used. So you might come across that. Someone might have used your name, but if you're creative, most likely they won't come up. You won't come up with the same username someone else has already used. So I'm just going to put Seidel 2012 LJHS at gmail.com. Then password. Again, something that you're going to remember. I use the same password for almost everything. Then enter your birthday, your gender. You can put your phone number here. I am, because then I can have my password sent to me through my text messaging. Alright, for your current email address, whatever your username is that you log into your computer with, that's what you're going to use. So here at Bentonville, for me to log into my computer, I have to put J Seidel, and then if you just put at Bentonville K12.org. So just take your username and add at Bentonville K12.org, and that's your username. I'll leave that there for a second so you can see it. Bentonville K12.org. Alright, once you get that filled out, you have to enter this graphic in. I click this new challenge button so that I can see the letters clearly, because you can see some of them are real jumbled together. There, I can understand that one. So whatever your password is, you have to enter it exactly as it is. If it's capital, you have to use capital letters, and you have to put a space between the two words. And once you're done with that, right here there's a I agree to Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You need to click that and put a check mark in it. And then this one's pretty important. Google may use account information to personalize. Yes, we want that. So click that. Mine was already clicked, so yours is probably already clicked too. So again, I'll go over everything. The top should be username, or should be your first and last name, and then a username, and it'll tell you right away if it is a available username or not. It should be if we add LJHS to it. And we're going to create a password. Has to be the same. Put your birthday, gender. If you want to receive, like if you forget your email address or password, you can put your phone number here and that'll help you retrieve it. But you don't have to have a phone number in there. Your Google email address. And then you have to put this text in exactly as it is. If there's a capital, like I have one capital there, I have to put that capital. Some of you may have numbers instead of letters. You have to put those instead. And then you will hit next. And here you're messing with your profile. We don't have to do that. We're just going to go next step, next step, next step, and then so it'll say go to your Google account, and then you're done. So that is how you create your Google account. And we can use our Google account for lots of different things, so that's why it's important we do this early. Also, up at the top it says, do you want to save Google Chrome to save your password? I hit yes, and then whenever you log in on that computer, if it's under your username, and it will automatically put your password there for you. So I always hit save. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, after you've created your Gmail account, you are then going to minimize or close, and we're going to create a quick link shortcut here on the desktop so that it'll go directly to your email. So just like our other quick links that we've created, we're going to right click and go to new shortcut, and we're going to type http://mail.google.com, and we're going to hit next. And then right here where it says what would you like to name the shortcut, I would just put Gmail and finish. And now you have a quick link to your Gmail account, and that's one of those things that are kind of used quite a bit. So I put it over here with my files that I use quite a bit. So that is all for the creating an account.